Yeah, Hi all. Like this is our 11th batch. This is my 11th batch. I welcome you all people to my 11th batch. So let me introduce myself first. So this is Natraj. People call me Raj. I'm from Hindupur, Andhra Pradesh. Settled in Bangalore. Almost from 15 years, I settled in Bangalore. So I worked in several organizations. Like I worked in HCL Technologies, Capgemini. I worked in Dell Technologies. I worked in HTC Global Services. These are all the 4 companies I worked on. Currently, I'm working in HTC Global Services, Bangalore. So this is my 11th batch. So I welcome all you people to my 11th batch. So let's start the session today. So before starting the session, okay, so I will give you some instructions, okay, like what we are learning in this course, like how we were learning this course, what are the timings, okay, what you will get it, all those things I'll explain now. So please understand carefully while I'm explaining. So yeah, so we are learning Informatica course. It's an ETL tool. Informatica is an ETL tool. What is ETL? All those things I'll be explaining in the later point of the sessions. Okay. So we are learning Informatica. So as you know, the timings are morning 9:30 to 11:30, morning 11:30 a.m. to morning 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m., evening 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay, 9:30 p.m. Whoever joined in morning batch, they have to join in morning. Whoever join in evening batch, they have to join in evening batch. That's the thing about the batch timings. Now come to the installation. I already shared the installation links in the group. I already shared the installation links in the group. Okay, so you please go through the installation link and video, which I have created a step-by-step video, which is helpful to install Informatica and Oracle easily. So I have given a detailed explanation what to do in this step, what to do, step-by-step explanation I have done. So please go through that. Please go through that and install as soon as possible. That means at least by Sunday night, if you install, that will be good. So you have to install by Sunday night. Okay. So I have sent the Oracle 11G link. I have sent the Informatica 10.2.0 link. So download the zip files, extract the zip files. If you want, you can download any extractor like 7-zip or WinRAR so that it will be faster. So download them and install step by step. Okay. So if you have any doubts in between, so first you try to install. If you have any doubts, please ping me so that my team will help you. That's about installation. The minimum system requirements for installation is minimum 6 GB RAM should be there. Minimum 6 GB RAM. If you have 4 GB RAM in your laptop, suppose, take to the computer shop and ask him to give one more 4 GB. Instead of taking 2 GB, take 4 GB directly. There not be that much difference between 2 GB and 4 GB. Maybe 1000 to 1500 difference will be there. So instead of taking 2 GB, take 4 GB so that your system will be faster. And also you can install if you have Windows 11 or 10 or 11. Okay. So these are the operating system will support. If it is i3 processor, i5 processor, i7 processor, that's not a problem. The RAM should be 8 GB. Sorry, 6 GB. That's it. Minimum RAM should be 6 GB. That is about installation link. So please don't ignore the installations because from Monday onwards, okay, we'll be doing the hands-on sessions in the session itself. I'll be doing it. You will be listening. Okay, after completion of our sessions, you have to practice them. Okay, so please complete the installation. This is about installation part. Next, what you will get on daily basis. What you will get on daily basis. So you will get a zip file that contains PPTs, Word documents, notepads, Excel sheets, which I am showing on the screen on the daily basis. Whatever I am showing, suppose I am showing you this today, you will get today. You will get today to you in the website. I'll be putting the zip file. You can go ahead and download from my website. Okay. This is about like this. I have the zip files like this. If you see my previous batches, these are the zip files like this. You will get daily one zip file. So in that, so many things will be there. So like this. Okay. So Excel sheets, PPTs, files, table DDLs, okay, DMLs, many things will be there like this. You will get daily one zip file. Okay, so that notes, daily notes, you will get it like this. Okay, so that you can read the notes, you can read the PPT after the session, after your like this. If you see, so this is the notes I will give on the daily basis. Okay, so on each topic, so that this notes will be useful when you wanted to prepare for the interview. This note will be very useful. Notes and PPTs. My notes and PPTs are very important. So are very important for you people when you go to the interview, or if you want to revise, you can revise the notes and PPTs. That's about this. Okay. So as I told you, almost till now, from my training, almost 1,000 plus students, 1,000 plus people, or 1,100 plus people. Okay. So from first batch, I started my training on 14th of May 2021 with 9 people. With 9 people, I started my first batch. Okay. Based on the reviews, first batch was given, second, third, fourth, like this, it's going on. Okay. So I got very good success rate. Our people, almost 750 to 800 people got the jobs till now, who all are like non-IT background people. Okay. They don't know anything about IT industry. Still they got the jobs and they are working successfully from 6 months to 8 months. Okay. BPO people, customer care people, they have also joined. They are doing the job successfully with using the same experience in the IT industry on Informatica. And people who are doing teaching jobs, civil background, mechanical background, okay, banking background, okay, BCom background, BA background, like BSc computers, BCA, MCA, BTech, anyway, those people will be there, MBA. So everybody, okay, whatever their background is, few people had educational gap, few people had arrears. That means 2015 his BTech is really completing, but due to arrears, he completed in 2018. After that, if I tried for one guy, if I give an example, one guy, okay, so he completed his BTech. That means BTech should complete on 2015, but due to some family problems, okay, so he completed on 2018. That means he studied BTech almost 8 years. 7 years. Okay, you don't know, he got almost 9 to 10 offers after joining my training. He got almost 9 to 10 offers. Okay. So, and one girl from from fourth or fifth batch, I guess, she was from BPO. Okay. She was from BPO. There she is getting just 3.5 lakh per annum. Okay. In BPO, she had three years experience. She was like 3.5 or 4.5, I guess. I did not remember exactly. She also got nine offer letters, and she joined in Informatica Corporation. It's a product-based company. Whatever we are learning is Informatica, right? Informatica also is a software company. It's a product-based software company based out of US. It's in Bangalore, and in Hyderabad also it is there. She joined Informatica maybe 2 days back. Okay, after her notice period. So like that, many people, many BPO people, everybody got the jobs. If you really want to get a job, you have to do hard work. The people who has listened who did not miss the sessions, who listened my training very carefully on daily basis, who practiced on the daily basis, who has interacted with the people in the group, and who has helped the group, and they formed a group and they practiced in the group. They completed the mini project. They completed everything, whatever I told. Then kind of those people, they selected in the first interview itself. I can say in this 750, half of the people, not half, 70% of the people got selected in the first interview itself. Okay, because I'll be telling in detail. It's a job-based, I told it's a job-based real-time training. Okay, so that means it will be, my focus will be to get a job. All people, if I have now, suppose 71 people are there morning batch, all 71 people should get a job. That is my goal. And also, after getting a job, the main part is to handle the project, to manage in the project, to manage in the company, to manage in a software company. That is also important thing. Okay, once you get the job, then it's over. No, once you have to go to the project, you have to work on your project. You have to work individually without any support. That is my goal. You have to work individually without anybody's support. That is also my goal. So I set my goal as your success. At least you set your goal for your success. Okay. When I'm setting my goals that my candidates, all the people should get the job. All the people should work individually without any job support. This job support, proxy, it's very difficult. They will say, okay, but when it comes to reality, it will be very difficult, very difficult. This is very difficult and very harm to you. It is not so good to you. Okay. They will say that pay 3 lakh. Okay. We'll give the job. Okay. So directly we'll do proxy. We'll give the job. Then after that, you can easily manage when you go to the company. No, it's wrong. When you don't know anything, how can you manage in a software job? If you know, if you practiced, if you practiced well in the training, if you do hard work in the training, then you can manage. Without managing, if you go to the job, it will be very difficult. You can think that, okay, I'm getting 70,000 per month. I can give 20,000 per month to anybody. They will support. Support is not so easy thing. Getting the support is not so easy thing. Okay. So nowadays, everybody wanted support. Everybody wanted support means who will give the support? So don't rely on proxy. Don't rely on support, please. Rely on you. Okay. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself and do hard work. Surely will get a job. Surely I'm saying surely will get a job. Okay. Because they have shown me the offer letters. Many people, many success stories. I can say I have almost 1,000 plus screenshots I have, which same way when you get the job, you will also send a message to me. So I'll take that screenshot also. So it is not so tough. I'm saying it's very easy. Informatica is very easy. I will make you easy to understand. So please leave all your worries and focus on the hard work. That's it. Okay. You have to think that I can do it. If you think I can do it means you can do it. If you think that I don't have communication skills, I don't have proper educational background, I have career gap. Okay. So I don't know Oracle. Leave all these things. These are not so tough. These are very easy. Lakhs of people working in the same thing. When lakhs of people are working, why cannot you work? You are far better than them. So you have to think that I can do it. I can do it means you can do it. Okay. So think that, believe in yourself, trust yourself. Don't trust me or don't trust anybody. Okay. Trust on you. Okay. So that you will get a job easily. The same thing, the same motivation I have given to the people from the last 10 batches. They are all successful. Whoever really wanted the job, they got the job. Whoever wanted the job, okay, and they struggled for it, they got the job. Okay. Now, so next one is what and all I will cover in this training. What and all I will cover? I'll cover data warehousing concepts, Oracle SQL basics, which is required for Informatica interview or Informatica. Next, Informatica Power Center 10.2.0, basics to advanced concepts, Unix basics commands. Then mini project. I'll show you one mini project. You have to implement that mini project. I will ask you to implement the mini project in your system. Next, I will give the resume to you. I'll prepare the resume based on your experience and I will give it to you. And I'll give the interview questions. Okay. And I will give like how to crack the interview. How can you explain in the interview, where to search, how to search, all those things I'll tell. That means a complete package for you. That means, so from starting the training to get to till the job, to till you get a job, I'll give whatever you wanted. Everything I'll be giving it to you. Okay. So this is about the concepts which I covered in the training. Next one is, so WhatsApp group. I already created WhatsApp group for the 11th batch. I already created WhatsApp group for the 11th batch. So please keep checking the WhatsApp group for updates. If any session, suppose tomorrow is no session, I have some important work, or I'm still working. I am working on Informatica Power Center in Bangalore. Okay. So the same technology I'm working on. Sometimes I'll be showing my mappings also, which I was working in. Sometimes I can be showing those mappings also. Okay. So please check the WhatsApp update, WhatsApp group. No good morning, no good evening, no festival greetings, nothing, please. It's just purely for our purpose to help each other to to discuss whatever you got the errors, installation errors or mapping errors, daily base errors. You can post there. Either I will reply or people in the group who already faced that error, they can reply. Okay, that is about 11th batch WhatsApp group. And I have a consolidated Telegram group. That means all my 10 batch people, all 10 batch people, that means almost 700 to 1000 people. That means whoever wanted, they will join. Okay, few people not interested means I'll just send a link. I will not add them. I'll send a link to them. They will join. Okay, so that I'll share later. This consolidated Telegram group who are trusted. Trusted means all Informatica my people. You can trust them. You can ask any questions to them. You can help them or you can get a help from them. That is about consolidated Telegram group. Now, in our training, I wanted to set a real-time environment. How can I set a real-time environment is maybe tomorrow evening or day after tomorrow, so by Sunday evening, I will create 5 WhatsApp groups. Okay, 5 separate WhatsApp groups like this: 9 to 12 a.m., 12 to 2 p.m., 3 to 6 p.m., 6 to 9 p.m., 9 to 12 a.m. Like this, I'll create based on your free timings on daily basis. You join any 1 or 2 groups and make friends in the group. Suppose 5 people are free on daily basis from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So they joined in that group and they will call each other. They will make friends and then they will share a Zoom link, normal Zoom link, and they will share the desktop and they will discuss how can we do this mapping, how can we improve this mapping, what are the errors we are getting. Like this, they will help each other. So that suppose there are 5 Telugu speaking guys will be there. There are, 1 second please, behold. 1 second. Suppose in this group, 1 group, there are 5 Telugu speaking people are there. Okay. So don't speak Telugu. Speak in English, contact in English, whatever it is English. Whatever, see, we are not doing, okay, we are not writing English exam or we are not writing anything. We are not doing any English lecture. Correct. So we wanted communication skills. Okay. Communication skills means if you don't have high level English, not a problem. Simple English also enough. That means whatever you are speaking, others should understand. That's it. That is called communication. That means you need to communicate others. If your language is able to communicate to others, then that's more than enough. So try to speak English in the sessions. So I will not allow you to speak any local language while you are asking the doubts. You have to ask in English only. Whatever the English, I don't mind this. Okay, I will understand. Whatever the English, I will understand. Try to speak in English. Ask the doubts in English. In this group also, try to speak in English only, so that your communication skills will improve, and your team try to work as a team, so that when you go to the projects, you have to work as a team, so that skill also will improve, and your subject also will improve. That's why I'll create these groups. So this, see, I'll give an example that. So from last batches, 1 batch, they have joined in 1 batch and they were doing daily basis in the group only. Instead of practicing individually, they're practicing in the group. At last, 1 guy selected in the one guy got an offer. Then he referred to another guy in the same batch. He also got the offer in the same company. Like 3 others got in 1 company, 2 others selected in 1 company. Okay. So 2 people are working in same project. They're working in same project. Okay. So like that, if you see, now we have almost in the WhatsApp, there are maybe by next weekend, it will be go around 200. Okay. Because next week full people will be joining. It will go around 200. So 200 people are there. All contact numbers we have in the WhatsApp. You can call them. Okay. I will create Excel sheet like this today. I'll create an Excel sheet like this. So please fill this Excel sheet and send to me. Like this, I'll create an Excel sheet. Okay. Name, phone number. Okay. Name, phone number, current city. That means currently where you are located, current city, and where you want to try. That means current city. These 3 are enough. As of now, these 3 are enough. Okay. Name, phone number, current city. That means suppose there are 10 people in Hyderabad staying nearby or area also. You can give current city, area in that city. Okay. Area in that city. Suppose you are in Anantapur Okay, so which area you are in? You are in Mumbai, you are in Pune. Which area you are in? You please mention here, so that the other people also can see your area. If they are nearby you, if you are interested, if both are interested, if 5 people are interested to suppose they are all near JNTU Hyderabad. Okay, they wanted to meet. You can meet and you can discuss the interview questions. You can discuss the subject. You can discuss many things so that your subject will improve. Okay, so I will share this today after some time. So please feel that. Okay, everybody can see that. Okay, and you people can still meet. Okay, always group study is better than individual study. Okay, that's why I wanted to create the groups so that you will improve many things in the group. Okay, so will that help you guys? This will help you. Do you think this will help you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Raj.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
really, because this got successful. First and second, I did not. First and second group batches, I did not implement this. From third batch, when the people are increasing, so I thought I got an idea like this. Okay, so I implemented it. So it was successful. It is successful actually. So just do it, please. Okay, meet each other so that your communication, your relationship, everything will improve, so that you can easily get a job. How they are searching outside? How are the calls outside? Okay, calls will be good. No need to worry. Calls will be forever. No need to worry. Okay, the thing is, when you get a call, you should select. That's it. Okay, when you get a call and when you go to the interview, first interview you should select. That you should set a goal. Yes, you will select. Don't worry. For sure you will select. Okay. Now I am seeing many people from 10 batches. I have seen many people. Okay, in between they will be speaking, they will be talking with others, they'll be talking in phone, they'll be watching TV. That means while you are listening to the session, you should not do anything, please. You should just listen. You should not speak with phone to others. You should not watch TV. You should not sit in a noisy room. Okay, and simply they will unmute and they'll be speaking with others. If you unmute and speak with your family members or friends, then this all 72 people will get disturbed because of you. Okay, so take a room, lock the room, and always watch the session in the laptop only. Don't watch the session in mobile screen. Today is fine. Today who you are watching in mobile, that is fine. But from Monday, practical, uh I will say the practical sessions. Practical sessions means I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I will tell you what to do. So working sessions will be there. So there the screen will be very less. Mobile screen will be very low. So always watch in laptop. Always join the meeting in laptop only. Don't join in mobile. Okay. So and just please listen these 2 hours. I will make the session very interesting. I will not tell boring thing like 2 hours. How can we sit? You will never know how these 2 hours went. I'm saying really. Sometimes for the 9th batch or 8th batch, I took 2.5 to 3 hours also. So, but they never know how the three hours passed. Okay. So like that, I will tell you interesting manner so that you will get the good knowledge and good experience also. Okay. So the only thing you need to do is listen carefully without, so don't speak the phone in between. I'm seeing the people, right? So they will not unmute. Okay. So simply there is no noise. They'll unmute and they'll be joining. Immediately a phone comes. They'll pick and speaking in the while unmute only, so that we can all hear. So don't do that. Put in your phone in silent. Don't pick the call at all. Okay. Tell that I am in session from 9:30 to 11:30. Don't disturb me, so that nobody will disturb you. And listen. Listening is very important, please. If you listen 50%, 50% it will come. If you practice, another 50% will come. So listen and practice. So Informatica is very easy. Number one, Informatica is very easy. I can, if a 9th standard guy, suppose if a 9th standard or 10th standard guy, okay, if he comes to me, okay, I can teach him Informatica. He can do it. Okay, that much easy it is Informatica. If you compare to Java, if you compare to .NET, if you compare to DevOps, if you compare to AWS, all these things, okay, are this one, right? What Azure, okay. So comparing to all these things, Informatica is very easy. Okay. So keep in mind that, and listen, practice. Practice, practice, practice. Practice is very important, please. If you don't do practice, nobody can help you. Okay. So Practice all the sessions. Suppose I will tell maybe 30 to 40 mappings, 40 to 50 mappings. I will tell more than that also. Maybe 60 mappings completely. If I count all these 30 days, okay, so 60 to 70 mappings I will tell, or 60 mappings. Complete all the 60 mappings. Complete your mini project. If you don't get the job, ask me. Okay, if you don't complete the mini project, if you don't listen, if you don't practice, if you don't get a job, don't ask me. I cannot help you. Okay, so from session 15 or 16 onwards, we'll start the mini project. Okay, so once the basics all over, once the advanced things all over, we'll start the mini project. In the mini project, I will tell all these things. Okay, what you will get experience, like you are doing a real project, you will get an experience. Okay, so that's how it will be. So please practice. Practice is very important. If you don't practice, then God also will not help you, please. Okay, so if you do all these things, then you will selected. You should be selected in the first interview. If you're not selecting in the first interview, means you are not doing anything in this. Practice on daily basis, and whatever the tasks I given, complete them. Complete the mini project. Complete all the tests in website. I'll be putting the tests in website, topic wise tests like interview questions. You can answer them if you complete it, and if you read and understand all my PPTs and notes, okay, then you will be able to select in the first interview itself. So keep in mind that. Okay, so listen, practice, that's it. Okay, so now how many subjects we are learning here? 3 subjects. One is Informatica, Oracle SQL, Unix. Informatica and Oracle SQL major subjects. Unix is a minor subject. That means no need to learn in depth about Unix. So maybe you are all passed out, like BE passed outs are there, MCA, MBA passed outs, any degree passed out, BSc Computers, BSc, BCom, BA. Okay, few people, like I can say, B Pharmacy people also got the job. B Pharmacy people, 2-3 people joined in my training, they got the software jobs. So any degree is fine, please. So don't think that only BCom people, BSc people will get the jobs. Any degree is fine. So please understand that you can get a software job with any degree. Okay. So don't think that it will be easy for computer science students. It will be tough to me because I did not read about computer science in my curriculum. No, please. Okay. Any degree, at least one degree should be there. Few people, open degree people also, like they done in Ambedkar University, or they done in IGNO, okay, Indira Gandhi National Open University, or any other, they also got selected. They also doing the jobs. So you are far better than many people. So you will get the job. Just believe in yourself. That's it. So if you see, at least in BTech, you will study 50. In BE or BTech, you will study 50 subjects. In MCA or MBA, you will study 20 plus subjects. In degree, you will study 15 plus subjects. That too, when you will write at a time continuously 5-6 exams. Okay, continuously you will read all the 5 subjects. Suppose in one semester, five subjects are there. All the 5 subjects you complete. You should understand. You should read it. Okay, then you should write on the paper all these things. But when you are completing, you got suppose 70%, 60%, 50%, 80%, 90%. When you're able to complete 15 subjects, why can't you finish 3 subjects just? Okay, there are many subjects will be there. You need to read hard, you need to understand hard. Okay, and you need to write on the paper. Here, no writing, nothing. You need to tell orally. That's it. Okay, no writing, nothing. Maybe some queries they can ask you to write, or some logic they can ask you to write. That's it. Okay, so when you are completed 50 plus or 20 plus 15 plus subjects, and you passed out, then why can't you pass these subjects? It's very easy, please. Just 35 days, leave everything, leave everyone. Okay, so don't do anything. Sit on this 35 days, these 35 to 40 days. You are not doing hard work for 3 months. If you want to get a job in Java, you have to do hard work. You have to, the training itself 3 months. If you want to do in .NET, the training itself 3 months. After that, 1 or 2 months for interview. So that complete process will take 6 months. But here, the complete process will take only 45 days. 35 days course, next 10 days you should get a job. Or next 35 days, that means in 2 months, you should be able to get a job. That's it. So focus on the hard work, please. Leave all your worries, please. Leave everything. Whatever you have, you don't have. Okay, whatever positive, whatever negatives, leave everything. Okay. So I leave all your negatives, okay, and do the hard work. You will get a job for sure. For sure means for sure, okay. And how many hours you need to practice on daily basis? If you don't have any work, suppose you are trying for a fake, you don't have any job now, then do hard work for 8 to 10 hours. Practice 8 to 10 hours. Okay, you are working parallelly, and you wanted to practice at least 2 to 3 hours. At least 2 to 3 hours you practice. Just 2 to 3 hours you practice. If you have time, 3 to 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours. Practice makes you perfect. How much ever you practice more, that much faster you will get a job. If you practice 8 hours a day, okay, then next after the once you place the resume, you get a call. Next day you will select like that. So how much faster you will, how much more time you will spend on practice, that much faster you will get a job. Okay. So these are the things we have worries. We have the worries. These are the things. Mainly our Telugu people. Okay. That means Andhra Pradesh and Telangana people. They are having very much worry about communication skills. Okay. That means I don't have proper English because they're set like this. You have the communication skills, but people are set like this, called like who are from AP or Telangana, they don't have communication skills. And people are there, they are also thinking like that only. First, come out of it, please. We the people who has more communication knowledge, more communication skills. Okay. So leave if you don't have communication skills. Try to improve it. How to improve? By speaking, by not reading, by not writing, by not watching movies. No, never. By speaking, communication skills will come. So please speak with your family members or friends in English, or team members. Now we are all team. We are all. You think that we are all in a company in different teams. So think like that and do it. Okay. I'm coming up with new models. That means how can we make a real-time environment here? We are trying out. Okay, we'll see. First you practice the groups, then we'll see. I don't know Oracle. Yes, you don't know Oracle, no problem. I will tell you. You don't know Informatica, I will tell you. Oracle queries, if I see Oracle queries, I cannot write, I cannot understand. No need to worry. I'll tell you how to understand. Okay. So if you're having zero knowledge also, you can get a job. My goal is whoever joined in my training with, suppose you have already 3 years experience. If you are getting a job means that's your specialty. Okay. Because you have already 3 years, based on your experience, you got a job. That's it. But few people joined in my training, they don't know anything. They don't know what is the table. Like that kind of people, if they get a job, then my training will be successful. It's already successful because already got the jobs. Same way, you people also get the jobs. So practice Informatica at least 2 hours per day. Practice Oracle, give a same importance for both. If you are practicing Informatica for 2 hours, practice Oracle also 2 hours. Oracle SQL is a backbone of Informatica. Without Oracle SQL, without a database, Informatica does not exist. Okay. So Informatica work on Oracle concepts, Oracle SQL concepts. So if you are practicing Informatica for 1 hour, Oracle also 1 hour. So please keep in mind, people will skip this. Oracle, they will not learn, they will not practice at all. Daily they will be practicing Informatica, but when you go to the Informatica interview, they will ask more questions on Oracle, suppose. Then you will not select. So practice, give the same importance for Informatica and Oracle SQL. PLSQL is not required. Just SQL is enough. Okay, give the same importance. If you are more good at SQL, more easy in Informatica. Now you don't know both, not a problem. I'll start from zero. Don't worry. Okay, just give the same importance. Once you complete the course, how many experience you can try? People tried for 1+, 2+, 3+, 4+, 7+ also they tried. They got the jobs and they are working individually. One guy got 7, one guy is having long gap. Normally I will not prefer to put 7+, but if you have confidence, then you try it. You can try. He tried 7+, he got the job and he is working as a senior consultant in Capgemini. Okay. So you can try, no problem. That's not an issue. So this is about this. Now, the most important thing is videos. People are waiting for my videos outside. You don't know. Okay. So because they wanted to sell my videos, for 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. Okay. So be careful with the videos. That's why normally I will not provide the videos. The problem with the videos are three problems. Number one, suppose if I give the recording session after the session daily, you will not listen the session at all because anyway I'll get the recording. You will not be having seriousness in the session at all, live session. There is no point in, if I give the video recordings on daily basis, there is no point in taking live sessions. I can take some 5,000 and I can give the videos itself, but that is not the problem. So what is the use of live sessions? If you don't understand a topic, you can directly ask me and I can I can give an answer. I can rectify your problems, your queries or your errors in here itself. That is called interactive live sessions. Okay. Number two, what is the problem is, if I give the video, okay. So what they will do, if I drag, they will drag. In the video, if I drag like this, they will drag the mouse like this. If I drag like this, they will drag like this. That means they don't understand it. Simply whatever I am doing in the video, they want to do it. Number two, that is the problem. Number three, people are misusing my videos. I already came to that situation. I took a serious action on them. I came out of it. Okay. This is my struggle. You don't know. This is my struggle for 1 year. Okay. So for it's not so easy to, okay, prepare the PPTs like this. If I show you one PPT, you see this, please. See one PPT which I prepared. It is not so easy to prepare a PPT like this in a day. It took almost 1 month to prepare these PPTs like this 30 session PPTs, which is useful for you. I prepared it. Okay, if you see the PPTs, you can easily answer the interviews. Okay, so please, okay, so these are my struggle. I struggled for you people because you wanted to get a job easily. You should not go after the training. You should not go after the training in empty hands. And there are real-time mapping documents. Okay, so like how we will get the requirement in real time, like that I have prepared the mapping documents for your sake, so that it will be like complete real time. Whatever you are doing there, you will be learning here. That's it. Okay. So when I am giving this much to you, you should not misuse them. You should not send everyone to it. You should not post in any net or something. Okay. So you should not do all these things, please. So when I'm struggling for you so much, so at least you give some respect to me and don't share the materials to anyone. Okay, please. And what you will get is, in the website, you will get 1 to 8 recording sessions. First session to 8 session. First session to 8 session is the basics. In the basics. Basics means almost we complete 10 mappings in this. 10 Informatica, 10 to 12 Informatica mappings we will complete in these 8 sessions. Okay. So when you are able to do these 8 sessions, next 20 to 22 sessions, it will be easy for you. So these are very important to you. So maybe you are feeling some difficulties at the starting. Okay. At the starting. Okay. So I'll be giving these 8 sessions, only 1 to 8 recording sessions. After that, if any network issues or any health issues or any traveling issues, one to two in between, if you should not miss the flow, right? I will provide the videos for 1 to 2. Don't ask me the videos on daily basis, please. I will strictly not provide. I am telling you now itself, on the starting itself. So I will give 1 to 8. I'll show you where to see 1 to 8 sessions. I will give recordings. And that too, if I'm giving recording means you should not see the recordings. Without seeing recording, you have to practice. If you see the recording, there is no use, please. When you go to the project, they will not give the recording. By seeing recording, you do it. No, please. Okay. So whatever I'm saying in the recordings, I will be putting in the notes format or in the PPTs format. Whatever there I'm telling the session, same thing you will get in the notes, you will get in the PPTs. If you see that, you will understand what I have said. Did you understand, please? Any doubts in this? Any doubts in this, please?
No, Raj.
Nothing, sir.
Recording things, please don't ask me the recordings on daily basis. Okay, yeah. Please don't ask me the recordings on daily basis. I'm telling on the starting itself. Okay. Okay. So please don't ask me. I don't have time to give the access, please. Okay. So because daily 12 to 18 hours I'll work. You don't know. Really, I'm saying. Daily I'm sleeping at 3 o'clock. From 1 year, I'm sleeping at 3 o'clock daily. Okay. So why? Because I wanted to give a best thing to you. I wanted to prepare more questions, more better PPTs, day by day, I wanted to improve my training. That means I don't want to like, so only 1 or 2 batches I'll take it. Then I will do my work after office opening. No, please. Next, my entire career will be in training only. Maybe I can, if I'm unable to handle work, I can resign my job. Okay, but I will not leave the training. Okay, that means for every batch to batch, I wanted to improve my training. That means I want daily basis, I will learn new things myself. Okay, and I will give you the best things. Suppose last batch, we did not cover some things. They are facing the difficulties. Those things I will try to cover in this batch. Okay, and last batch, we did not cover some interview questions I did not given, or some useful PPTs I did not given. This batch I will give. Like that, I wanted to improve myself. So I'm struggling for you people. So please don't misuse my material or my videos. If you got, suppose few people somehow they got to know that you are my student, you are my candidate, and they will ask you, can you share Raj PPTs, or can you share Raj videos? If they ask you immediately, please notice me on the same day. Please call me. If my number or my personal number, you please call me. Okay, and report me so that I'll take a serious action, because there is a privacy policy here. I went to that situation. I went to that situation and I came back, please. If you see my website, you can see my website. Go to here. At last, terms and conditions, privacy policy. If you see this, the live sessions recording is prohibited by the users. The recording sessions, which has the private access to the users, should not be shared with the family, friends, or social media or YouTube. Serious legal action should be taken against the users who doesn't follow the privacy policy of Informatica. Okay, I went to that situation. Okay, I went to that situation. Okay, I given a serious action to them. The higher authority people, they took a serious action against them. Okay, I came from them. So I went to that situation because of the 1 or 2 people, because of their greediness, my entire thing will be messed up. Correct? Because I'm struggling for you like anything. So they are misusing that. You should not misuse anything. Okay, they are joining like you only. They are joining like you. Somehow they got it and they are trying to sell outside. So I really took a serious action against them. So now they are not doing. Okay, this is about privacy policy. And then refund policy also, please read this if you have any. So this is the refund and course rescheduling property. So policy. So please go through this in here at last. Terms and conditions, privacy policy, payment and refund policy. Okay. This is about these ones. Okay. So any doubts, please, till now? Any doubts, guys?
Nothing, Raj.
No, Raj.
Nothing, Raj.
No, Raj.
No, Raj. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. The next. So I can see, please, I can give hundreds of examples. Hundreds means hundreds of examples. Like some got 28 lakh. That means he is having 5+ years of experience. He got almost 4 to 5. And now he is working with, Mohan is working with 28.5 lakhs. He got just 9.5 lakh. Okay, current package in Capgemini support he was working. He's working in Society General now, 28.5 plus 2 lakhs. Like that, there are BPO people. There are many examples. I have it. Okay. So you will also become examples for others. You people also will be like a role models to others. So become like that. Do the hard work. Leave all your worries, please. Be confident. Be positive. You will surely get a job. Getting a job is not so easy, not so tough. You should not think that I can get a job easily without doing anything. No, never. Don't. Okay. So you should have confidence, but you should not have overconfidence. Okay. So that means you struggle for it. If you struggle for it, if you get it, anything, if you did the hard work, you got something that will be with you forever. If you don't do hard work, simply it came means it will go simply. It will go with you from you simply. Okay. Because I have many people. Okay. So many people had like this. Okay. What? So they already paid 3 lakh to 4 lakhs with proxy. They went to the jobs and they did not give the proper training. They did not give the proper training. Okay. They did not give the proper training. They went to the jobs after 2-3 months. After 2-3 months, they came back because the people remove, because when you don't have knowledge, how can you work in there? Okay. So they came back, they joined in my training for just 15,000. For just, I am charging 15,000 with you. That's it, right? I'm not charging single rupee after that. If you get 28 lakh or 30 lakh or 50 lakh, that's your own, that's your hard work. That is yours. Okay. So for 15,000 only, you can get a job. Okay. So please do the hard work. Okay. No need to pay lakhs to get a job. No need to go to backdoor jobs. No need to go to proxy jobs. Everybody, every training. Okay. If you go to any advertisement, directly they will be saying, we'll give the training, we'll give the proxy, we'll give the support. That means they don't want to leave the candidate. Okay. That means they will take 3 lakhs from the candidate. They will show you the job. Once they go to the job, these people only will give the support again. Again, they will take the money from the people, from the candidate. That means entire life, they will be giving, these candidates will be giving the money to proxy people. So don't get into that situation. Anyways, to avoid that, you join my training. To avoid all these things, I know you people join my training. So you will get it for sure. Okay. When you will do the hard work. If you do the hard work, you will get it. If you don't do the hard work, no, please. Nobody. Don't get it. You will not get it. Okay. Any doubts, please?
No, Raj.
Any
No,
doubts,
Raj.
guys?
No.
Yeah. So clear whatever I said till now.
Yes, Raj.
Yeah. Okay. So now we'll go to the subject. Okay. We'll go to subject now. So once you complete this training, what is the role you will get it? You will get a role as ETL developer or Informatica developer. 1 second, please. So what I'm saying is, once you complete this training, once you get a job, what is the role you will get it in the companies? Role means software engineer or designation, anything will be there. But what is the actual role you will get it? You will work as a Informatica developer or a ETL developer. Informatica developer or a ETL developer. Okay. So that is like, that means you can try for 1 or 2 plus 3 plus whatever it is, based on your confident level, you can try for any experience, so that you can easily get a job. Okay. Now, in any project, we are all doing Informatica projects. Okay. When you go to the company, when you go to a software company, you will be assigned to one project. In the project, what are the people you will see? In your team, what are the people you will see? The first people you can see is manager. The first guy you will see is manager, team lead, and also Informatica developer. You are the Informatica developer. Informatica administrator, that is Informatica admin. Reporting ETL testing people who will use testing technologies like automation, Selenium. Those people, those are called ETL testers. Okay, they will not use. Few people will use automation also. Those are called ETL testers. And then reporting people. Reporting people means who is working on Power BI, Tableau, OBIE, okay, SSRS, okay, or Cognos. Okay, these are our business objects. Okay, these are the reporting tools available in market. Those are called reporting people. These are all the people you will see in your team. Okay, either few people or all the people you will see in your team. Okay, in your project. So why developers are having more packages, more openings? Because in any project, suppose there are 15 people are there. In that 15 people, at least 8 developers will be there. 8 people will be developers. 1 people will be Informatica administrator. 2 people will be ETL testers. 2 people will be reporting people. Manager will be 1. Team lead will be 1. So always developers will be having more opportunities, more packages, okay, than testing people, than reporting people, than administrator people, admin people. So you are joined a best training. You no need to worry. You will get a best job with a good package. I have people have shown me one girl from BPO. Okay, still I remember her. Okay, she is not married. She was working as in a BPO from 3 years. She just 2018 passed out. At 18 passed out, I guess. She was somehow she's done in BTech only, but because of there is no guidance from them, from their parents or from their friends. She joined in BPO. She wasted for 3 months, 3 years. Okay, she got almost like 30,000 per month, 4.5 or 4 lakh maybe per annum. Okay, she was getting. Then she joined in my training. Okay, she got almost 10 lakh package because she got multiple offers. She got 3-4 offers. She got 10 lakh. From 30,000, she got 1 lakh 1 lakh rupees. Till today, she was getting 30,000. From once she joined in the training, after getting the job, she got almost 90 to 1 lakh, 85,000 to 1 lakh rupees in her account. She called me and I never thought like that. I thought like I can get a IT job with 40 to 50,000 salary, maybe 10,000 or 20,000 will increase. In this situation, okay, I got almost double, triple. I got almost double and triple. What else I wanted? I never expected this at all. Yes, there are many people like this in our training. So the same thing. So do the hard work. Practice, practice, practice. Don't waste the time. Don't waste the time for 35 days only. No, I'm not asking you to struggle for 6 months or 1 year. No, just 35 days. Sleep late for 2 hours. Early wake up for 2 hours. From 1 year, I am sleeping at 3 o'clock daily. At 3 o'clock daily, 3 a.m. daily, I'm sleeping. Okay. And if I open my WhatsApp messages, I'll be getting 50 messages. Nowadays, 60 messages per day. If I open anytime WhatsApp, 60 messages will be there. I wanted to reply. Okay. Or my team wanted, I will, because they cannot reply directly, right, to you. They will ask me, and whatever the reply, they will reply, or I will reply. I'll be getting at least 20 to 30 calls per day. Okay. And also previous batch people will be calling. You people will be calling me. Next batch people will be calling me for joining. And also my office work, my family. Really 24 hours is less for me in a day. I almost work 12 to 18 hours per day. Okay. So at least do hard work, 10% of me. Just imagine my situation. If you are in my situation, how it will be. Okay. In that just 10% you do hard work, you will get a job for sure. For sure means for sure. Okay. So that's about this. Now coming to the real subject now. So before going to real subject, do you have any questions, please?
No, Raj.
No.
Am I going fast?
No.
Able to understand my English?
No, Raj.
Yes, Raja. We will understand.
Yes, Raj, it's clear.
So who are from rural, who are poor at English, they are able to understand my English? Am I going
Yes.
fast?
Yes, Raj.
Yes.
Am I going
It's
fast,
fine.
guys?
It's fine, Raj.
No, sir.
Yeah, I'll try to go slow. Anyways, sometimes when I'm telling the continuously in a flow, it may go fast. If I'm going fast, you just ping here. So you are going fast, please go slow. Okay, you can ping here. Please go on mute, please. So that I'll go slow. Anyways, I'll be going slow only. Okay. So freshers, for fresher jobs, it will be less for Informatica. For fresher jobs, okay, it will be less, but still you can try it. Sometimes fresher openings will be there on Informatica also. I cannot say zero, but less. But 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, you will get more and more opportunities than freshers. But still, you can try it out. Freshers also, not a problem. Anything, any doubts, please, till now?
No, Raj.
Any doubts, guys? Will you able to understand what I am saying?
Yes,
Yes, Raj. Yes.
Completely
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Raj,
Yeah.
what is the minimum package we can expect, Raj?
That's based on your current package. What is your current package?
No, I am fresher now.
That means you want to go for a fake experience. Yeah. How many years you want to go?
I have 3.5 years of job.
You have already a job.
No, I don't have a job.
You don't have a job, but you want
No,
to try
I
for
don't.
3 plus, correct?
Raj.
You want to
How
try
can
for
I?
3 plus. Yeah.
Raj.
So first offer, see, normally as you asked me, this will be telling anyways, there are 1 or 2 sessions, two or 3 sessions will be completely on job based. That means what is the experience you want to try? Okay, what is the packages you want to try? How to explain in the interview, how to explain about the project, how to crack in the sessions itself. 1 or 2 sessions I will cover. So normally people will think what, okay, so I want to try 3 plus 3.5 plus from tomorrow. Okay, I want to try. I'll place the resumes. I'll give the resumes. You will place the resumes. They will set a goal now itself that I want 15 lakh package. I want a permanent job. I want Bangalore only. I want Hyderabad only. You should not set the expectations first. Put like 3.5 means my current package is 4.5. My expectation is 6 lakh for first time. For first, until and unless you get a first offer, just to give a less expectation. And I'm open for anything. I'm open for Kolkata location. I'm open for contract job also. Get an offer first. Go for the interview. Get an offer first. Get an offer first to your inbox. You don't no need to join. Accept the offer first. Then suppose you got an offer for a contract job. Suppose you are in Bangalore, but you got Chennai location for 6 lakh per annum, a contractual job, contract job. You accept this offer, accept it. Then try for another offer. You have to try another offer, please. In that offer, you quote 7.5. You already got 6 lakh. You tell that I got 6 lakh already. I have an offer. I'm expecting 7.5. Permanent job, you try now. Permanent, you try. You will get it. If you get second offer, this is first offer. This is second offer. Suppose in Bangalore only. For Bangalore only, you will get it for sure. For Bangalore location, permanent, you will get it. Next, try one more offer for 9 lakh. Like this, you need to climb the ladder. That is why when you don't have any offer, when you don't have any offer in your hand, don't expect anything. Try for everything. Keep applying every Informatica job, every location, every package, every job, whether it is a night shift, day shift, whatever it is. You go ahead and try, please. Get an offer first. I am not asking you to work on that company. Get an offer. When you get an offer, you will be having so much of confidence. When you get an offer, you will be having so much of confidence. With an offer, see, trying an interview, with an offer, without an offer, you'll be having so much of difference. If you have an offer in your inbox, then you will be having, whether it is a contract or at least I got a job, you will be having less pressure. Okay, less pressure you will be having, so that you will select in every interview. If you select 2 interviews, 2 offers, if you get it, in every interview you will select. Okay, like that you have to do it. First, expect less, get an offer, then expect more. Clear what you want to do?
Yeah, Raj, clear. Thank you.
Yeah, because this is the mistake people will do. What is the mistake they will do? Okay, until and unless I get 10 lakh, I won't attend the interview at all. If you want a job, means you have to attend multiple interviews. Okay, if you attend multiple interviews, the questions will be important. You need to write the questions. All those things I'll tell you later. I'll tell you as you asked. I'm telling now itself. Okay, so when you write the questions for each interview, suppose 5 interviews you did not selected, fine, no problem. If all doors are not closed for you. If you don't think that all doors are closed, my life is finished. No, always a better door is waiting for you. Suppose 5 interviews you did not select. You should not worry about it. You have to work hard. Why I did not selected? What is the mistake I am doing there? What I have done wrong? And you have to write. You keep a book or a notepad, okay, or a folder, okay, like this folder you prepare. Okay, you in desktop you create a folder. This is what I'll tell to my people always. You create a folder like this. In this, you create a folder, interviews. You create a folder called interviews. Suppose today is Capgemini interview. So after Capgemini interview, suppose Capgemini 1 hour they took. Okay, create a notepad. What is today's date? 27/05/2022, Capgemini. Write the questions. Suppose you ask 30 questions, 20 questions you will remember normally. Immediately normally you will be taking the call. It's a Zoom call in the room, right? You will be lock your room and you will be taking the Zoom call. After training, you should not immediately go out and enjoy. No, not like that. Okay. Open a notepad, write down the questions. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, all questions. Write down whatever you remember. Then close it. Then go out. Then search for the answers for these questions. Like this, 5 notepads will be there. Whatever they ask in these 5 interviews, 6th interview, almost 70% they will ask in these questions only. Okay. So if you are going for 10 interviews, no problem. 11th interview select. If you don't select 20 interviews, 21st you will select. A better door will be open, please. Okay. So I have seen many scenarios for my people, my candidates. One guy, see, if you're not selecting interview means that is not only your mistake. Maybe one reason is your mistake, but there are n number of reasons. Okay. You have interviewed well, you have answered well, but that position might got a hold, or HR has forgotten you, because they'll be calling daily 10 to 15 people. They might have forgot you, your profile. Okay, there are n number of reasons to not select in the interview. If you are not selecting in the interview, means that is not your mistake. Please keep it in your mind. Okay, if you are not attending the interview, then that is your mistake. If you are not attending the interview and you are expecting an offer, nobody will give the offer. Without interview, nobody will give an offer. Always try more and more. Always try more and more interviews. Okay, and write down. The most important thing is this one. The most important thing is you have to write down the questions. Then you have to go for the next interview. Understand all the questions. Remember all the questions. Try to implement those scenario-based questions or queries in your system. Try to practice them. Then go for the next interview. Then you can easily select. Okay, this nobody will do it. Nobody means nobody will do it. Simply they will be attending an interview. One interview gone, second interview gone, third interview gone. Like this, you will be keep on attending interview only. See, when once one interview got failed, okay, failures are the steps, right, for the success. Really, yes, failures are the steps for the success. So that means you should learn from your failures. You should learn from your failures. How you will learn? Write down the interview questions, or if you don't want to type it, take a pen and paper, put a small book, 20 pages book, you put it every day, put a date and company, okay, and write down the questions. If you're unable to type in the notepad, then next interview, you read this and others also, easily will get it, please. So don't worry, please, you will get it. Clear, guys? Any doubts?
Raj. Yes, my name is Abhijit. Actually, I have one questions regarding the notice period. So how to tackle the 3 months notice period?
Okay. So if you have really, normally I do like this, but I am not recommending you to do this. Okay. Just I am giving a suggestion. If you want, you can take it. If you think that it is risky, you have to leave it. Okay. So suppose one guy is working, suppose you are working in TCS. Okay. TCS is having 3 months notice period. Correct? Yes. Okay. Normally, tell me one thing. Suppose today I will resign in TCS. I am working in TCS. Today I will resign. My last working day is somewhere here. This one is my last working day. When August 24th is my last working day. Okay. Can I take back the papers on 24th if I don't want? Can I take back?
For the 24th, probably means specifically for the TCS, I think we need to take before 1 week or the before 5 days.
Okay, yes. 1 week at least. Can I take it?
Yes, exactly.
If you can take it, then you resign first. First you resign. If you can take, that means your company is allowing, if your company is allowing to take back the papers, after 2.5 months or next 1 week, your notice period is ending, then you can say you can resign it. You can resign and you can tell that I can join. To tell that in the resume, you mentioned that in the Naukri, you mentioned that I can join in 20 days. I can join in 20 days, you mentioned. Okay.
Okay.
So first you resign and place the resume, and you will get you tell that 20 days, you will get the calls. You get an offer. Suppose you got an offer. Okay. You got an offer. Next, you go to your manager, ask your manager. Anyway, manager will not give. Managers will not give. They will ask you to serve the notice period. Then tell some stories to these people. My manager is not relieving. I need 15 days more. I need 15 days more, like that. Meanwhile, you should get one more offer. Now suppose, okay, this joining date is your last working day is 24th of August. You told to them, this first company, you told to them that 15th of June. Okay. So 15th of June, you told, till 15th of June, 20 days is there, right? In these 20 days, you try for another offers. You tell them that I can join in 30th June. Second company, you tell them that I can join in 30th of June. Okay. Then you call to these people also. When 15th of June is approaching, you call to these people and tell them that I need more 15 days. You please give me some time. They will agree. Normally they will agree. Okay. Make this as 30 days. This 30th June. Same way, when 30th June is approaching, tell them that I can join on 15 days I wanted, like 15th of July. Like this, you should get more and more offers, okay, in between, and you can ask the time with them. Like this, normally I do.
Sure.
Okay, but this is not so easy thing.
Yeah,
As I'm saying, it is not so easy to implement. There isn't so much risk involved. Suppose you cannot take the back. Suppose there is one more company, a small company. Okay, if you resign, finished. After 3 months, you need to go out only. You cannot ask them to stay back. Okay, then it will be difficult, right? It will be risky. So based on your confidence level, you do like this. Normally, I will do like this. Either I will tell stories to my current company or the next company, I will tell stories. Anyone should listen first. Anyone will listen for sure. Okay, got it? What
Yeah,
to
yeah,
do?
sure. Thanks, Raj.
Any questions, please?
Yeah, Raj. Does it need to answer all the questions they ask in the
No,
interview?
No. Suppose they have asked you, suppose you have only Oracle, you have mentioned in your resume, Oracle SQL. I have experience in Oracle SQL. Informatica 10.2.0, I have it. And Unix commands, you mentioned. Okay. So in Informatica also, there are some advanced questions, PLSQL questions. Okay, some advanced questions like XML transformations, stored procedures transformations, stored procedures, okay, or COBOL files, or few more things is like these things, partitioning, okay, partitioning and push down automation. These are the things, push down automation. These are the advanced concepts we will not use on, suppose in my 11 years, I have almost 11 years experience. I started my career on 2000. I started my career on 2011. Okay. I started my career as actually I am a 2008 passed out. 2008, I completed my MCA in Hyderabad. 2005, I completed my BSc Computers. I completed my BSc Computers in 2005, okay, in Hindupur. And I completed my MCA in Hyderabad in 2008. 2008, you know what is 2008? What happened in 2008? Did you remember?
Recession, I think.
We were not getting a teaching job. Teacher, not lecturer, please. Teaching job in a school, we were not getting. It was so horrible position, because you people are passed out in 2008 or 2009. You should feel that pain. Really, I'm saying, because I came from that pain. Okay, so we were not. I came from a middle class family. Okay, like my dad is having a small business. Okay, he struggled a lot, and he is not having that much money to pay to MCA and do pay to me for MCA, but still he paid, because I liked very much at the time. I wanted to do MCA, so he paid it. I completed my MCA, came out. Once I came out, the situation like I'm saying, when I go to the BPO, I went for BPO interview. Okay, you don't know. I still remember in 2009 February, there was one BPO company called Aegis, AGIES in Bangalore. I went to this company because I don't have a job that time. Okay, what to do? I went for a BPO. I don't want to ask my dad money after MC also. I don't want to ask the pocket money to him. He can give. He can support me for next 5 years. That's his specialty. But I don't want. I wanted to do myself. Then I went for a BPO. I selected in the BPO. They told they will give 5,000 per month. Just 5,000 per month, including Saturday you need to work. Only Sunday is holiday, daily 9 to 12 hours. Okay, I rejected it. Okay, I don't want to go to that. I don't want to go that job. Okay, so I don't want to put my okay, what I can say, life into BPO. Then I cannot come back also. Okay, then I started giving the home tuitions to the people, to the 10th class students, 9th, 8th class students in Bangalore. Okay, so for 1 year I given as you are asking, I'm telling all these things. Okay, so I was giving home tuitions. Then in a BCA college, I still remember, okay, that time there was no websites also to apply. Okay, I have went to each college, each BCA or degree or MCA college, because I completed my MCA, right? So I went to each college and I asked them any lecturer jobs are there. So I got to know that 12 colleges are having lecturer jobs. 12 resumes by courier I sent them. In Jayanagar 4th block, I still remember, in Bangalore, 12 resumes in 12 covers I sent to the 12 colleges. In that, I got call from 4 colleges. 4 colleges I got call from interview. For the lecturer job, for one position, there are 25 people. For one lecturer job in a college, 25 people has come. In that, I selected in 2 colleges. In that one college, in BCA College, St. Aloysius Degree College in Bangalore, still it is exist in Bangalore. Okay, I joined as a lecturer, computer lecturer. Okay, there I worked for 1 year. Then I came out. I learned Informatica. I got a job in HCL Technologies as a fresher in Informatica. Okay, from there I worked in HCL Technologies for 3 years. Okay, I worked in Step 2 Technologies Hyderabad for 6 months. Then I worked in Capgemini for 5 years as a senior. First I joined as software engineer. Then I joined in Step 2 Technologies Hyderabad in Jayberry Towers. In Jayberry Towers, what is that area name? Kondapur. Jayberry Towers, Kondapur, Hyderabad. Okay, 8 months I worked there. It's a startup, just 10 people. Then I joined as a senior consultant in Capgemini Bangalore for 5 years. Then I joined in Dell Technologies as a technical lead in Dell Technologies for 2 years. From 2021 January onwards, okay, I am working in HTC Global Services as a senior technical lead. This is my path from my degree. Okay, it has not come simply to this level. We struggled a lot. So that's what the recession made us. Okay, the recession made us strong, actually. So I went, really, I'm saying, in Kengeri there was a school. I went to the school to teach the people for the interview. There I wanted to teach the computers. I selected there, but I did not go there because that's not the, but I worked as a lecturer for 1.5 years in Bangalore. So maybe that skills, it is helpful for me now. That lecturing skills, the teaching presentation skills is helping for me now in the training, maybe. I don't know. Yes, please. Any other questions? Have you
Sir, actually, I have a question for you. Will we get any certification at the end of this course?
No, the certificate I will, the system will generate a certificate. You completed the training in Raj Informatica, you will get it. But there is no use of it, right? You cannot show anywhere that. But in like Azure, like DevOps, no need of certifications in Informatica. No need to do to get a job. So if you want to go as an Azure data engineer, you should complete at least 1 or 2 certifications. Okay. In Informatica, certifications are very tough. You cannot, without experience, you cannot do the certifications. Okay. At least you should have 7 to 8 years experience to do the Informatica certifications. Okay, no need of, but if you want a certificate like course completion certificate, this system will generate after the course. But there is no use with that, I'm saying. Okay. If you're going for a fresher, that will be used. As you're going for experienced people, you should not tell anywhere that I learned the course, I put as a fake, I came to company, you should not tell anywhere, right? So there is no use of it. That's all.
Thank you.
Next, please.
Hi Raj. I'm working as on the non-IT role like desktop processing side. While applying the new jobs in Informatica, does it affect my designation?
No, no. It's okay. Okay, good question. Actually, this and all I'll be telling next. But okay, fine. Let's make the our first. Let's do differently today. Okay. So let's make interactive today. Okay. So what I will suggest is, suppose a person A, suppose Ravi is there. He is working from, his passed out is 2018. For example, his passed out is BCA or BTech, BE 2018 he completed. After that, immediately he joined in BPO. He is working till date. 2018 December to 2018 December to, okay, 2018 December to 2022, right? 22, from 4 years he is working. That means almost 3+ years. Almost 3+ years he is working in something called HGS. HGS is a Hinduja Global Services, is a BPO company. Okay, I got the people from there also. They got selected in Capgemini, Accenture and all. Okay, so their designation is process associate or desktop engineer. Okay, we'll take desktop engineer only. Okay, now you joined in my course, you completed Informatica. Okay, and you want to try for a Informatica. That then what you need to mention in your resume that I completed my BE in 2018. I am working in HGS from 2018 to 2022, 3+ years of experience as an Informatica developer. As a Informatica developer, I am working. You should say Don't put the fake if you have already real-time experience on BPO or call center or any mechanical job or any civil job, anything, please. Anything you can do it. Okay. So as an Informatica developer, you put it. Suppose if they ask you, your designation shows that desktop engineer. How come you become an Informatica developer? If they will never ask this. Number one. If they ask you, yes, I joined in HGS as a desktop engineer. Internally, there was a software wing. There they were using Informatica. As per my interest, I trained on Informatica. Internally, I trained there and I joined as Informatica developer and I came out. That's it. Will that help? Yes or no, please?
Yes. Yes.
So if you have really some experience, see, only these experiences you cannot show. What? Teaching or faculty experience. Teaching or faculty, people will not allow. Banking, like HDFC Bank, suppose you are working as a personal loan department. See, these are all actually good jobs. People are helping. You are a teacher means, okay, you are the best one. Teacher is the best one actually. You should not think that I'm a teacher. Okay, so I should not. That means you are proud to be a teacher. You are proud to be a, suppose you are working as in a credit card department. No problem. Because of your situations, you made to work as a teacher or to work as a credit card department, or it worked as a BPO or a customer care. No job is not like a bad job. Everything is a good job. Okay, so only banking and teaching are faculty jobs you cannot show. That's it. Apart from any other jobs, you work as a small company. In a small company, you work 3 years. You have all the papers. Papers means what? Experience letter, offer letter, pay slips, okay, bank statements. All these things you have means don't go as a fake. You show the same experience. Show the same experience. You try. If you're unable to get a job, then anyway we have a fake. We have a fake. We have. Okay. Got it, please? I don't recommend to put a fake if you have some experience. If you don't have experience, then you can put a fake. No problem. Okay. Any doubts, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, like if what if we have the gap in our
Yeah, good question. Okay. I will tell one example. I'll tell one example. My friend, she is my friend. She is also, I am MCA. She is BTech. She completed BTech in 2008 from Chittoor. Okay. From Chittoor, she got completed. And she worked 1 year on 2009 in some company, entity data company. Okay. She worked. Then she got married. She got a kid. Okay. Then when I was in 4th batch, when I was taking 4th batch, maybe 4th batch means somewhere around August or September 2021. September 2021, she called me. She got to know that I'm based on my status. She got to know that I'm giving training. Then she came to me. Shall I learn? Shall I learn Informatica? Shall I get a job? Why can't you please join the training? Okay. You do the hard work. You will get a job. Okay. She completed my training in 35 days or 40 days. She did really hard work. I'm saying she did really hard work. She selected first interview. First interview she got selected. Second company, second interview. That means she got selected. 2 hours she got. In that I chosen the best offer. She is working from individually. She is working individually from past 6 to 7 months. She's working. So and one guy 2005 passed out. He was working as assistant professor in some college. In some college, he was working as assistant professor. He is not getting a good salary. The problem with these people is the satisfaction he will get it, but salary is the main problem. The only thing they will think is the salary, because nowadays the cost of living is increased. Our kids, we are all kids. Okay, we are all having kids. Okay, so these school expenses, all the expenses, rents, everything is going high now. But our salary is like this only. Then what they want to? They don't have any other chance. Okay, to get the salary. That's why they're coming to the software industry. Good, it's good. If you come to the software industry is open for everything, for everyone. Okay, so he got, really I'm saying, 2005 passed out. He is not having a single year experience on Informatica. He got almost 3 offers and he's successfully working in Infosys. He's successfully working. Infosys or some other company. Yeah. Yes,
Raj,
You said like after a lot of gap, he got an offer. So whether he used like any fake experience, either he got
Fake only, fake only.
okay, okay.
No fresher, fake only, please. See,
How many years of
fake is-
experience?
Sorry, come again.
How many years of experience he
3
takes?
plus.
And his
She
gap
tried
is,
for 3 plus.
gap is almost 12 to 13 years.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, you tell that. Yes, gap is 15 years. Yes, based on my.
But
because
they
of-
don't have any gap then.
Sorry, come again.
He's really something here is working 10 years. And
He
how
was
can
working
they-
he was working as assistant professor. He joined my training. Okay,
Yeah,
he was. One second,
Someone-
please. One second. So he was trying for 5 plus. Okay. So they have asked why this is huge gap you have. Yes. Okay. Because of my personal reasons, because of family conditions, I was working as an assistant professor or lecturer previously. Later, I got a job in that whatever the fake company as a fresher. I got it. I worked as a 3 years there, and then I'm trying for a switch. That's what he has told. Okay, you have 15 years gap, nothing like 15 plus you should put. No. Nowadays, people are taking, they are just looking whether you have subject or not, whether you can be able to do work or not. Nowadays, software industry has changed. Not like previously, only 1 year gap should be there, only 1 year education gap should be there. Not like that now. They are taking the people who can do hard work in their company, who can do the work on time, whatever the education background, whatever your career background, whatever your career gap, no hurdle for it. Maybe it is difficult for him to get a job. If you are 2018 passed out, if you try for 3 plus, if one guy is having 2005 passed out, 3 plus experience, he will get a job within 15 days. He will get a job within 2 months. That is the difference. For him, he need to struggle a lot. For him, he no need to struggle, he will get a job easily. That's the difference. That's it. But I told you, right? You can easily get a job. Got it, please?
Hi, Raj. This is
Yes, please.
Harika. Currently, I'm working as senior quality engineer and having 7 years of experience. Can I use the same experience if I want to move to Informatica?
7 years you have one company?
Yes. No, two companies.
Okay, one company. So, okay,
Yeah.
ABC company. ABC company, how many years? First company?
3 years.
3 years. Okay, then IJK company, how many years?
4.2.
4.2. This is a recent company?
Yes, currently I'm working.
So you tell that in this current company, I have total experiences 7.2. Total IT experiences 7.2. Okay. In that, relevant into Informatica, is 3 plus 3.5. That means in this I have 3.5 in this current company. From 3.5 years, I am working as an Informatica developer. That's it. Whatever you were previously, you can tell the same thing.
Okay, here I'm just worrying about background check.
Okay, good question. This is the lack of knowledge for every people. I will give the knowledge now. Background, okay, background check, BGV, background verification. What they will do in the background verification is, suppose I have work done, Raj is work done, Capgemini as a senior consultant. I worked as a senior consultant in Capgemini from 2015 to 2020. 2019 December I worked on there. Okay. Now I got a job in Dell Technologies. Okay. From 2020 January onwards. Okay. I joined in Dell. Now what Dell people will do? Dell people will do the background verification for me. They will give my details. What details? My relieving. Who will give my relieving letter? Capgemini will give my relieving letter, right? Capgemini will give offer letter they could have given while joining. 1 second, please. 1 second. So Capgemini will give, they have given the pay slips, they have given the relieving and experience letter. On back statements I have, form sections I have. Dell, what will they will ask normally? They will ask these things. What? Offer letter of Capgemini. Offer letter from Capgemini. Okay. experience letter from Capgemini, relieving letter, experience or relieving letter from Capgemini, and pay slips. Last 3 months pay slips. Pay slips they will ask. Okay, these three they will ask. These three, what they will do is only this one, only offer or experience letter. Okay, they will send to who? Third party. There is some companies which are doing only background check. Dell people will hand over this experience letter. Can you do background check for him? And also your degree certificate, your degree or PG certificate. They will ask your degree or PG certificate. PG Xerox please. No, only photocopies. Only photocopies. No originals. If anybody asking you the originals, don't listen them, please. Don't give your original certificates to anybody. You are going as experience means nobody have authority to. You can show them, maybe you can show them, that's it, but don't give it to them. Please keep in mind, don't give any original certificates to anybody. Don't give a single rupee to, if they ask you pay 20,000, we'll give the job. No, never. Don't pay single rupee to them. Okay, so Dell will give all the certificates to the third party company. The third party company, what they will do is they will first call to your college. Okay, whether he has done from suppose I have done my MCA from 2005 to 2008 in Hyderabad. Okay, in Usmania University. Okay, in Usmania University, they will call to university or a college. If the college exists, they will call the college. If the college does not exist, they will directly call to Usmania University and they will check. They will write an email or they will do the phone to the Usmania University. Okay, and they will check that whether this guy is really passed out or not. They will check. That is degree check for sure. They will do. Every company they will do it, and they will come to your home address also. Your home address, your current home address or permanent home address. They will just and they will check whether you are staying or not. That's it. That is for just whether you are a criminal or a terrorist. Okay, or you are a normal resident. They wanted to check. For that purpose only, they will come to home and they will verify the home address. Then this experience letter, they will write an email to who? Third party company will write an email to Capgemini. So Raj has worked on, so he is saying that he joined in Dell. His experience letter stating that he has worked in your company from 2015 to 2019 with a designation 24567 248789 with a employee ID 248789 with the designation senior consultant. Whether it is correct or not, and they will attach this experience letter also in the email, whether this experience letter given by you or it is fake. Okay, or it is put a fake. They will ask. Okay, then Capgemini will reply to that email. They will check their database, their employee database. They will check, yes, Raj has really worked from 2015 to 2019. He is my employee only. So I am giving a positive. I am giving a green BGV to them. Okay, from my side, they will write an email. Then that means they are checking whether you worked in that company or not, but they will not check what you have worked in that company. You no need to worry. Nobody will be having time that what you have worked, how many projects you worked, under which manager you worked, which technology you worked. Nobody will see that. Understood, please? Harika, did you understand?
Yes, Raj, but here in experience letter, we will give as test engineer, right? Is there
What
any
is that? Yes.
Uni?
Yes,
Yeah.
test engineer, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, no problem. Yes, I joined as a test engineer in this in DF in IJK company. I joined as a test engineer, but after working on 6 months, as per my interest, I learned Informatica internally. There was internal trainings going on. I wanted to switch my technology. Okay, so I joined. I learned Informatica inside my company, internal trainings. Then I joined there. When you joined, after you got a test engineer offer letter, but these 4 years, the designation will be same for you. Yes or no? When you get promotion only, when you get promotion, then designation will change. Otherwise, it will not change, right? Yes or no?
Right.
Yeah. Then you will come out as a test engineer only. If you worked as an Informatica developer also, they will give test engineer only. Yes or no? Can you tell this to them if they ask? Will they agree or not? Why can't they agree? They will agree for sure. See, now internal trainings will be there. Can you switch internally? Is it possible or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, it can be. Like if you are testing engineer means you are working in testing, there is nothing that I should not work on developer, no, right? Because some companies like Capgemini, Infosys, they are offering more courses to their employees. Okay, learn more courses. We'll be having more internal trainings. Okay, weekends are anyway free time. You can learn the courses. And if you have any projects in Capgemini, if you completed 2 years of in one project, you completed 2 years. Now it's your own wish whether you want to continue in this project or you can move voluntarily. Okay, in the same company, in another project, different technology, you can move it. No problem. So like that I moved. Correct, please?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, yeah. So see, if you have really some software industry experience, you no need to worry at all. Whatever the designation, see please. This guy, what Cognizant will give associate, designation as associate. Capgemini will give consultant. HCL will give software engineer. All are same only. Different companies use different designations. You never know what is the designation at all. But still you will be working. Designation is different, but role is important. Designation is different. Designation will come on papers, but role, really what you are working inside the project, that is called role. That you should mention in your resume. As an Informatica developer I was working on, you should mention your resume. Are you clear, please?
Yes, Raj. Thank you.
Everybody, are you clear, please?
Yes.
Hello,
So,
Raj,
yes,
Raj,
please.
Raj.
Yeah.
Raj,
Hello,
if they ask previous project details, what should I answer about the question, Raj?
If you are going for a fake,
Yeah.
I will give the project, no? In the resume, I will
Oh,
give the project, right? I will
okay.
tell you how to explain the project.
Okay, clear.
I'll give the
Raj,
resume. I'll give the resume. In that resume, suppose you are trying for 3+. I'll give 2 projects. I will tell you in the session itself, generically for all the things, for everybody, how to handle the project. That means, tell me about your project means what to answer. I will tell you what to answer. The same answer will be there. That's it.
Okay, Raj, clear.
Got it? Yeah.
hello, Raj.
Yeah,
One
Raj.
question, Raj.
Hmm.
Raj, if one student completed his graduation in 2019 and he got job in 2021 and he's currently working, so how to fill that gap of 2019?
2019 passed out. Okay.
Yes. In
2021 to
he got job.
till date is working.
Doing. Yeah.
Why you want to fill the job gap?
Yes.
Why? What is the reason to fill the gap?
Raj, is it good to fill that gap and add
Not required. No. You are already having 1 year experience. No.
Yes, Raj, but openings will be like
Less. If you feel openings will be less, then take a fake from 2019 to 21.
So will it give any problem in background?
No. Problem means, see, if you are going for a fake, I cannot guarantee you that a problem will come or problem will not come. If you are going for a fake, you have to ready for anything.
Okay.
You have to ready for anything. That's why what I will suggest to my candidates is, till now what I have suggested is, suppose, see please, these and all things also people will never know. These and all, I'll tell you now. Suppose, so you tried for 2019 to till date, you've given a fake experience. Okay, you took a fake experience and you joined in Capgemini today, when 27th of March 2021 is the first day of your Capgemini. Okay, so you joined. After that, people will relax. Okay, I got a job. Then I don't want to do anything. Don't do that, please. From the next 3 months, that means, sorry, today is May, right? So May, right? June, July, August, till 31st of August, you should be trying on the offers. Till 31st of August, because from today to next 3 months, anything can happen. Because you have to be, that's why always take a background check. Okay. So the people who are giving fake experience letters, that should be a strong, they should finish the background check. Okay. I have few people, they will give I don't have any contacts with them. That means any dealings with them. I am not taking any commission with them. Okay. I am trying to help my previous people for 15,000, for just 15,000, they will give experience letter, relieving letter, pay slips, bank statement, form 16, PF number. All these things he will give. He is from Hyderabad. He is not my friend, please. He is not my relative. I am nowhere attached to him. Okay. So, but he called one time. From last 3 batches he is giving, and they are working successfully, and he is very prompt. He is giving. Okay, if you want, I can give the number at the end of our sessions. At the end of, that means after 30th sessions, I'll give his number. At 20th session, I'll give his number. You can take with them. Okay, but you should be careful with them. Whoever you are taking the documents, you should ask n number of questions to them. Ultimately, background check should be clear. So what I am saying, if you are going for a fake, don't relax for next 3 months. You keep on trying for interviews. You don't tell that I joined in Capgemini. I'm still working in this company only. You keep the offer letters so that if suddenly something is happened in Capgemini, the background verification is negative for you. Then immediately they will, next day onwards, they will remove you. Immediately, if you have an offer, then you can easily go to that company. Yes. Can you go?
Raj,
One second.
here,
Let me finish it. After finishing it, you can ask your doubts, please. So will that help, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
So suppose
it will.
you relax.
Yes, sir.
Capgemini, I got an offer for 10 lakhs. Okay, I got a job. I'm happy. I did the party. Everything is done. Okay. Okay, I was cool. I was doing the work. 1 month I worked in Capgemini. Okay, I forgot all my interview questions already because I'm not in a track to do the interview now. Because 1 month was over. 1 month was over to get that means to attend the interview. Then immediately next day, you got an email that your background verification is done, is negative. Today is your last working day. Again, I want to start today to the interview. From tomorrow, again, I want to start.
It's very
Yes or no, please?
difficult.
That means all the 1 month I forgot all the subject. I forgot all the interview questions. Again, it will take to restart that. It will take 1 month. Instead of that, if you get an offer also, you should be in safer side. When you should be in safer side, you should try for the more and more offers. Yes, I joined in Capgemini. Still, you try anyway. See, nowadays you are not going for a face-to-face interview. You are not going for a face-to-face interview at all. You have to be in home only, and you can attend. Previously, before COVID, we were going to face-to-face interview. Once I completed Dell Technologies, okay, you don't know. After I want to look, I'm looking for a change after Capgemini. At one day, I went for 4 companies for interview. One day, you don't know. That was summer. I still remember. Okay, I went in my bike. Okay, first I attended Wipro interview. Then I attended Walmart interview. Then I attended Dell interview. Then I attended something. I did not remember that name. Okay, so these 4 companies I attended, I got 3 offers. In that 4, I got 3 offers. In that, I joined in 1 company. From morning to even, I was roaming around the Bangalore only. Wipro is in Sarjapur Road. Okay, and this one was Capgemini. Sorry, Dell is in Domlur. Okay, and first interview was in Sarjapur Road. I went to Sarjapur Road. Next interview is in Domlur. I came to Domlur. And Walmart is in Marthalli. I went to Marthalli. One more is in Jayanagar. I went to Jayanagar. I completed all my 4 interviews in 1 day. Okay, and I got 3 offers. I joined in Dell. So nowadays there is no point in traveling also. So please, what I am saying, so please search for, you don't tell that I am working in Capgemini. I'm still open. I'm still open for the job. Take 2 or 3 offer letters and keep it with you. Keep 15 days time each offer. 15 days time. Okay, you can tell them next offer you got. You can tell them that 15th of July I will join 1 company. You got 1 more offer. 30th of July I'll join. 1 more offer you got. 15th of August I'll join. Like this, you keep it. If something happens in between, you can directly go to another company. You don't need to search for it. So next, normally I will do it. As I'm having 11 years experience, if I don't like my work, if he is giving 50 lakhs per annum also, if I don't like my work, I will never work on it. I'll never work in that company. So if I join 1 company also, I will still looking for another company. If I feel that work is comfortable to me, if I like my work, I'll be stay there. Otherwise, I'll come out of it. So you should also do the same thing. I'm not asking you to come out. As you are freshers, that means you are going for a fake. You should be in safer side. That's it. Will this help you guys? Because people will never do this.
Yes, sir.
Raj, what to say when recruiters ask when you already have an offer, why you're looking for other offers?
Yeah, I'm looking for a better opportunity. I'm
Okay.
looking for a better opportunity. Yes. In all terms, I'm looking for better prospectors than this.
Okay.
Yeah, better
Raj,
opportunity.
Raj, do they agree on that?
Yes, why can't they agree? Why can't they agree? Tell me.
No, just I had a question like
Tell me.
whether
What is the question?
whether no, previously you answered like for if we having a one more opportunity already we having a offer in hand, so and why we are looking for a
I'm looking for better offer than this. That's it. Single answer.
Okay.
I'm looking for a better offer than this. That's it.
Okay.
You give better offer, everybody will do the same thing, no?
Yeah.
Now, how she got 9 offers then? How she got 9 offers then? Correct. She could have told, right? Every interview, she could have told the same thing. I got this offer. She was climbing her ladder. Okay. She is having 3.5 only. She got almost 12. She joined in 12 lakh in Informatica. She joined as a 12.5 lakh with 2 lakh, with 1 lakh joining bonus.
Okay.
300% hike. Okay. 4.5, I guess. Not 3.5, 4.5. Okay. 4.5 our current package in BPO. No, lesser than this. I did not remember actually. Lesser than that. Okay. She got 9 offers and she got almost 300. If we work in the same company for next 10 years, she won't get 12.5. Next 10 years, if she work in the same company, she will never get 12.5. I'm saying.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Hey Raj,
Yes,
sorry, I have a question. So I am from completely BPO background, finance related. So my first company was Capgemini. So on the link letter, it is mentioned as process associate.
Yes.
And then currently I'm working with IBM. So here my designation is finance and admin business analyst. So in the relieving letter also they will mention a finance and admin business analyst. So when I'm getting going on interviews for Informatica, how would I show that I
From
have
when to when? Capgemini when to when? Which year to which year?
2015 to 2017, and then 2018 to till date.
Okay. What is the current package? If you can reveal, you can reveal.
Yeah, 5 lakh. 5 lakh.
5 lakh. You have 2 options. I am saying you have 2 options. Okay. 2018 to till date, right?
Yeah.
2018 till date, how many years? 3.5.
4 years.
4 years.
Nearly. Yeah.
So you don't show the Capgemini experience at all to anybody.
Okay.
You have 2 options now. Okay. I'll tell you.
Okay.
You tell that I joined in IBM directly on 2018.
Okay.
As in resume, you have to mention like this. Your pass date is 2015. BR, BTech, what you studied?
BCom.
BCom. You are a good example to everybody. Okay. So BCom. Okay. So you tell that in 2018, from 2018 to working as a Informatica developer from 2018 to till date. Current package is 5 lakh. Expected package is 7 lakh. You tell that. That's it.
Okay, so will they not ask the designation?
That's what I told right here.
Letter?
I told here, no?
Yeah.
I told here, no. Nobody. Like you, there are 50 plus BPO people are there. How you joined in my training? Where you have seen my number?
One of my friend referred me.
Okay. Yeah. One of your friend referred. Okay, because 50 plus people got the jobs from BPO. You know, you don't know. I'll give an example. There were two girls, Deepthi and Sonal from first batch. They were from BPO Pune. Okay, they joined, they got the job. One girl got in Capgemini, one girl got in Accenture. They referred their close friend, their colleagues only. They referred 2 other people. They also got selected. They referred other 2 people. These are all friends only again. These are all friends only. They got also like 8 people friends. They got the offer. They put their status one day. All the 8 people met because they are friends only. All are from my training only. Different batches. They are all the BPO people only. They are all friends. They are all got the jobs in Informatica in different companies. Like all designations are process associate.
Yeah, the only thing concerning is the IBM one. So finance and admin.
No problem.
So
Designation leave it, please. You tell that if they ask you, if any HR asks you, your designation shows that finance admin business analyst, finance admin business analyst. How come you are Informatica developer? Yes, in IBM, I joined as a finance admin business analyst. Internally, I learned Informatica. I was selected as a Informatica over there. I worked as a Informatica developer. My role is Informatica developer.
So I can tell them that on the
Yes.
client side, I worked for
Yes.
Informatica. Yeah.
No, IBM only, not client side. IBM, there are Informatica projects.
Okay, okay.
IBM, there are Informatica projects. There are many people from my students. They are in IBM. Okay.
Okay.
If you have well reputed Capgemini, IBM, Wipro BPO, Infosys BPO, this Cognizant BPO, these are all non-technical BPOs are there in Capgemini is in technical side is there, non-technical side also there. HCL non-technical, technical also there. If you have well reputed companies, then you don't have to think at all. Directly you can mention Informatica developer with the same experience.
Okay. Yeah. So
okay?
another
Either you can mention 2 companies or only 1 company you mention. If you mention 2 companies, then your experience will be more. It will be difficult. That's why mention this only. Don't mention this.
Okay.
Hi Raj.
Hi Raj, I'm Shravani.
Mm.
I'm having a question from my side, Raj. Currently, I'm working in TCS from last 1 year, 3 months as an Informatica developer, as a contract employee. Okay. So currently, I'm working for one project. I mean, which I'm feeling it is not helping me to learn for any technical side. So I'm just thinking to switch to a full-time role. So I'm thinking, I mean, in my perspective, switching a company is more important than serving for a client instead of learning without any technical knowledge, right? Okay. So I'm just thinking like if I even resign also, I will get 1 month of notice period. As you suggested, within a 1 month or 40 days, we will get a new job if we do some hard work, right?
Yes.
So yeah, that is what I'm asking. I mean, my question is, so can I resign my job and join? I mean, yesterday I easily worked for 13 hours for my working day. Okay. So
See,
yeah, please.
Okay, your question is, can I resign and can I learn? You are saying,
yes,
correct?
yes.
Only 1 month notice period?
I guess because I'm working as a
Contract.
contract. Yeah, it's a contract employee, right?
Suppose we'll think positively that you will get a job within 1 day, within 1 month. What if you don't get a job?
Yeah, that is also my question. I mean, if I don't get any job, I mean, there is no financial dependence. First of all, there is no financial dependence. So
Problems. Okay.
Financial problems. There is no financial problem. So if I get job in next 2 months, so I mean, for example, I got selected for IBM. Okay, if they, I mean, till March, till June, I work for TCS. I mean, up to my notice period ends by June. Okay, if I get a month gap, it will occur. It will.
No problem. See, any gap is fine. So you are saying June you will come out of TCS. Okay, you did not get a job for 1 month. Normally we'll get it. Don't worry, we'll get it. But in a negative way also we'll think it. Okay. In a negative way also we should think, because we should be in safer side always. So you did not get in July. You got in August 20th. You got a job on August 15th. 1 month, 2 months break is not a problem at all.
If they ask, why did you? I mean,
I took a break. I worked really hard in TCS. I want to break I want to spend with my family. Okay, for 1 month at least freely. Due to my personal reasons, Personal reasons means finish. They cannot ask anything. What is your personal reasons? Nobody can ask you. Person means personal only. That's it. Okay. To tell that due to my personal reasons, I took 1 month break. That's it.
So I'm just thinking like instead, because working in for this particular client is not helping me to get any kind of
confidence knowledge. If you have confidence that I will really work hard, I will resign and I will practice well and I will get a job. If you have in that mind, go ahead and resign. You will get it. Don't worry. But that is its own your risk. It's your own risk. Don't think that because he told I resigned, again after that I did not get it. So because of him I did not get it. You should not think like that. That's it. You should have confidence. You should take risk. If you want to take risk, you can take risk. No problem. You will get it. Don't worry.
Okay, Raj. Thank you.
What do you find?
Raj, having a small question.
Tell me.
I have 2 questions. Both are related. How Informatica will use for the long IT career? That's my question. One thing. And second one is when I ask my seniors or some experienced candidate, Informatica is now it's not that much of career, something like that they said. So I need your explanation regarding that.
Now yes, good question. Yes, there are 2 things are there. in Informatica. Till now, from 30 years, 25 to 30 years, we are working, and now I am working in Informatica Power Center only. Whatever we are learning now, right? This is Informatica Power Center. They invented one more from 5 years. They are implemented Informatica Cloud also. Slowly, they are switching Informatica Power Center to cloud. But if you learn directly cloud, yes, there are more opportunities on cloud. I'm not saying no, correct. There are more opportunities on cloud, but there are more opportunities on Power Center also. Power Center is basics for anything. In Informatica, there are many tools. One is Informatica Power Center, one is IACS, one is TDM. In this PPT, I have it. I could have shown the PPT because you are asking the doubts. Okay, that's why today it was diverted. But today is a good actually. From last 10 batches, I did not discuss all these things in the first session. But you people started, we changed it. Always we need a change. Yes, good. You see, if you see what are the tools available in Informatica, Informatica company, what are the available tools? What are the available tools, sir? These are the tools available in Informatica. Informatica Power Center, what we are learning. Okay, and Informatica Cloud, IACS, Information Lifecycle Management, Informatica BDM, Big Data Management, Informatica IDQ, Informatica Data Quality, Informatica TDM, Test Data Management, Informatica MDM, Master Data Management. Okay, to learn any of this, you should know Power Center. Power Center is the basics for all the things. Power Center is basics for all the things. If you don't know anything, suppose you know already Informatica Power Center, you can learn Informatica Cloud, it's easy. If you don't know anything, it is very difficult to learn Informatica Cloud. It is very difficult to learn Informatica Cloud without knowing anything. So better always go for Power Center first. Yes, maybe after 4 years, Informatica Power Center will not exist at all. After 4 or 5 years, I am saying, not next year only. People will say next year, no, don't worry, please. Because I am in industry for 11 years. I know better than them. Okay. But I can show you, okay, I'm still working on Informatica in my company, Power Center. Okay. Slowly what they are doing, they are moving to cloud. How they are moving to cloud? They are giving internal coaching to the candidates who already know Power Center. It is easy to teach. Is it easy to give training? Who knows Informatica Power Center? So they are giving internal training cloud. Slowly they are moving to cloud. So Informatica is having a career. Informatica is having a long career, long path. But the tools may change. That's it. They will surely give the training internally if they wanted you as a Informatica cloud developer. You don't need to worry. Next 4 years at least, you don't need to worry for Power Center. Are you clear, please? Who hear all this question?
Yes,
Are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
If it is a problem, it will be a problem for me also, right?
Yes.
Because I am working as a Power Center developer, Informatica Power Center developer. See, there are lakhs of projects, I can say lakhs of projects which are implemented in Power Center. It is not so easy to move directly one day. Lakhs of projects means in each project at least 200 to 300 jobs. Okay, that means millions of Informatica jobs. Millions of Informatica jobs are there. They are slowly migrating to cloud. I am not denying that they are not migrating cloud. They are slowly migrating the cloud. It is not go like 1 year or 2 years. At least next 4 years, no problem. Don't worry. They will surely give the training for IACS to you. You don't need to worry.
Got it.
Are you clear, please?
Yeah. Thanks, Raj.
Yes. Okay. So you see, ultimately what you wanted, you want a job. For that you joined. In this training, why you joined? You want a job, correct?
Yeah, job change.
80% of the people, they want a job.
Yes.
20% of the people, they need a job change. 80% or 60% of the people, they need a job. They joined in my training. 40%, they are already working. They want a better job, better package. Okay, yes, you will get it. Don't worry. Okay, Informatica Cloud is also easy. It is easy only. It is not so tough. Comparing to these two, it will be little difficult when you don't know anything about this. If you know Power Center, it's easy to learn Informatica Cloud. No problem.
Raj, regarding the data quality, Informatica data quality, is it similar to Power Center?
No, these are not similar to anything. It's not similar. It's a different tool itself. Power Center is different tool. Data quality is different tool. Cloud is different tool. Different tools. Different technology is same. Informatica company is same. These are developed by Informatica company. Informatica also a software company. It is a data integration company. We'll call it as. It's a software company which is located in US. There is an office in CV Raman Nagar, Bangalore. There is an office in Hyderabad. I don't know where. It is in high-tech city. It is in what is that? Mindspace, I guess. Okay, there it is there. Okay, so we
Raj,
are having all this.
after Power Center, can I move to IDQ?
Yeah, you can. But
in learning
you should learn. Should learn IDQ also.
Okay, in between Power Center and IDQ, do I need to learn anything or directly?
Directly you can go. Power Center, if you know, is all things are easy. These are all things are easy. Somewhere in between, you are using Power Center also. In IDQ also somewhere. Sometimes we'll use in MDM. We will use Power Center also sometimes.
Okay.
Okay. In ILM also we use Power Center. Sorry.
Will you provide IDQ training after this?
No. This is only Informatica Power Center training. Okay, maybe I don't know. If I start, I will let you know people. Don't worry.
Sure.
Okay. Because currently I am working. That's why I don't have time. Because morning 2 hours, almost 2.5 hours, evening 2.5 hours. In between, I need to help you people. Okay. In between, I need to take care of my office work, my family. So many things are there. So I don't have time to start any other training. Or as of now, we'll see in later. Maybe I am thinking in a bigger manner. Maybe I'm thinking I will add some courses. Okay. So that, okay. So I'll hire a trainer like me who can give the best training to you people. If I don't get a best trainer, I will not hire at all. Okay. If I like him, if I struggle, he need to struggle for the candidates, not like for the money. He should not struggle for the money. He should struggle for the candidates, for his students. What you have done for your students? Okay. I will ask him because I will do for my students to any extent. That means I can refer them, I can help them, I can give better training to them, I can give better material to them, I can give better questions to them. Nowadays, trainings have become more commercial. Ultimately, what they wanted money. That's it. But this training is not like that. You will feel the difference for sure. You will tell after 15 days. You will tell how is my training. You try to give a negative feedback to me. I'm really happy if you give a negative feedback to me. Really, I'm waiting for the negative feedback till from 10 batches, at least one candidate will give the negative feedback. I'm asking them to give the negative feedback. They are not giving. Please try to give a negative feedback. Till now, 1,200 people, I can proudly say that I did not get a single negative review. Okay, so that's fine. It is not like my things. Okay, anyways, I wanted to help you people for any extent, but I will not help you like in proxy. I will not help you. I never help you for support. I will never help you for proxy, please. No, you should rely on yourself. You should not dependent on others. You should dependent on you. Then you will get a job. Then you will work individually. You should not waste your hard earning money to giving for the job support. 20,000, 30,000 month is not a, if you have 30,000 per month, you can take a home. 30,000 EMI per month, you will get a 2 BHK. If you pay 30,000 per month, you can take a home, okay, and you can pay the EMI instead of giving 30,000 to the job support people. So don't go into the trap list. Those are all trash. Okay, believe in yourself, please. Clear, guys?
Hi, Raj.
Yes, please.
This is Naresh. Currently working with HCL Technologies from past 14 months. Actually, the thing is, from last 6 months, I'm on bench actually. Can I switch to Informatica by internally in HCL Technologies?
Yes, yeah, you can. You ask your resource management team. RMG team will be the right in Capgemini.
Yeah, no, I'm working with HCL Technologies.
Sorry, HCL Technologies or resource management will be there.
Yeah, okay.
You can ask them. I learned Informatica. If you have any project in Informatica, you can. Where you learned, what you will say?
Yeah,
I learned internally.
That's the question.
I learned internally. Okay.
Okay.
Say,
yeah.
You can switch in there also, or you can come out also. No problem.
Okay. Thank
It will
you.
be surely forever who are already working in reputation companies, TCS, HCL, IBM. Capgemini, you can easily switch internally. No problem. You
Okay.
can easily get the projects. There are lots and lots of
And
projects.
one more thing, can I get hike also if I switch in
Internally?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. You will not get a hike.
Okay.
If you are in bench, you will not get a hike. Once you complete 1 year of Informatica, suppose tomorrow you will get a job. Tomorrow you will get a project in Capgemini or Informatica. You worked 1 year in that. Next year appraisal, you will get hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Raj.
Hmm.
Yeah, this is Vijay. Currently, I'm working as an Informatica administrator from past 1 year. So I want to switch as a developer. Like, should I
Easily.
put any fake experience, or like 1 year is enough for calls? Like,
First, you try with real time. Try with real time first. Then you go. If you are unable to get the calls, then go for fake.
yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. Now I will tell some important thing to you. What you need to do today. What you need to do today? Yeah. Tell me, please.
Sorry to interrupt. Just I had a question. Like, I have worked for 1 year on contract base. So I am actually my last working day is on March. So I don't have a job right now. So for filling this gap, so can I use a fake experience? Either I can go with previous only.
Previous one you go. If you have
Okay.
really something, go with that. If you're not getting the calls, then go with the fake.
Okay. For filling this 2 to 3 months of gap, so
No
whether
problem.
I
No
need
need. No need. 2 to 3 months gap, nothing will happen. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So
Okay.
now what I'm saying is,
Thank
so
you.
today what you will do? It's almost 11:40. Did you see now today how 2 hours went?
No, Raj.
9:40 now.
It's completely good.
Yeah. Like that only. Every session is like this only. You never know that how 2 hours passed. Okay.
Yes,
It's like 10
absolutely.
minutes only. For me, it's like 10 minutes only. I started the start. 10 minutes before. Go on mute, please.
It's
Go on mute. So it's like 10 minutes only because, but we completed 2 hours so soon. More than 2 hours. Now what you need to do is, so you almost every people got the enrollment IDs. Few people did not get enrollment IDs. Enrollment IDs, you did not get it. Normally you will get an email like this. You will get an email like this. Okay. I'll show you the email also. Few people already got the enrollment IDs. Did you get it, guys?
No,
Guys, did you
Raj.
get it?
no, Raj.
Who are not
We
getting
didn't
it?
get no.
Few people got it, right?
Yeah.
So like this, you will get an email. So hello, who is it? What are the Gmail ID? Thank you for joining Informatica Live online training. So your enrollment ID is 1145. Now what you need to do is, 1 second, please. Okay. Now what you want to do is, first open Chrome. In that Chrome, open Raj Informatica. If you want, just search in Google Raj Informatica. So you will get my things. So my reviews you can see in 2019 Google reviews. Okay, LinkedIn reviews are. This is my LinkedIn profile. If you want to see, directly will get it. Okay, there are 2 LinkedIn profiles to me. This first I created, but this is my real. This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, you can send a what I can say. Connect to me. You can connect to me. This is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I sent to everybody in short. So you can see the reviews on my training in here. So here somewhere, where is this? Okay. 1 second, please. Let me open it. There was somewhere. We will see it. Here. Okay. Yeah, here you can see like this. I have one more. 1 second. Just give me 1 second, please. Yeah, this one. this link. Okay. If you see here, there are almost 192 comments from my previous batch people. You can see the reviews here. You can see the Google reviews. I have a Twitter also. I will send, and I will send LinkedIn profile, my LinkedIn profile, my Twitter profile, my Facebook profile, my this one also. Okay. So Google reviews. Okay. So all these things you can connect with me. Instagram profile, you can connect with me, and you can see the reviews previous batch people. Now what you need to do is just search for Raj Informatica. Open our website rajinformatica.com. Log in with your Gmail ID, which you have given to me. Log in with your Gmail ID. When you click on login, it will show you the Gmail IDs which already create, So what you need to do is the first step is log into your Gmail ID. Log into your Gmail, which you have given to me. Once you log in, okay, then open rajinformatica.com, click on login and select that Gmail ID. Click on login with the Gmail ID. Select that Gmail ID. Don't give ID passwords, please. Don't give ID password. Just log in with your, just refresh it, go to login, and then here you just select your okay, your Gmail ID which you have given to me. Just select so that it will log in. This is the first step. You could have already done this. You could have, almost all people has done this. Yes, please.
Yes, Raj, we have done.
Almost all people done. After that, so I logged in. Login. Okay. So once I log in, I open my now. Once you just download Zoom app. What is the next step is? Number 4. Download Zoom app in your system. Do Zoom app in your system. Okay. And create a Zoom account. Create a Zoom account with the same Gmail ID. If you have the already create Gmail account, if you already Zoom account with the Gmail ID, no problem. Otherwise, create a Zoom account with the same Gmail ID you given to me. Gmail ID is very important here, please. Okay, same. Always you should use the same. Once you create a Zoom, then log into Zoom with the same Gmail ID. Log into Zoom account. Once you create it, log into Zoom account with the same Gmail ID. After that, once you've done that, then my person, that means my team Karthik will send you the Karthik will not send, system will send you the enrollment ID. System will send the enrollment ID. Once you got this email, your enrollment ID got generated, you will get an email like this. Raj Informatica, your enrollment ID got generated. Then are you seeing the registration link here? Are you seeing the registration link?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, please. So this registration link, you click on it. Your enrollment ID, for each person, unique enrollment ID, click on this registration link. Once you click on this registration link, 11th batch morning registration. This is 11th batch morning. Okay. Don't see the time, please. This is a future time. June 5, 2022 is the future time. Don't see the time. Just we set the future time. That's it. Okay. Fill your full name. You should give your full name, first name. Suppose Raj. So V. Okay. Email address. The same email address you given to me. If you do anything here it is wrong, system will not approve. Okay. Then phone, whatever the phone number you given to me, you should use it. 8105, your phone number. Okay. After that, your enrollment ID, very important. This enrollment ID you should paste here and register. Then system will check email ID, phone number, email address, and enrollment ID, and it will approve it itself. So don't do the mistakes, do the correct thing. Once you do it, then it will approve. Once you approve, okay, then yours is done. From Monday, how you need to join? Today I sent a Zoom link, right, in WhatsApp. Today is the first day I sent the Zoom link. But from Monday onwards, I will not send the Zoom link. Anything I will not send. Everything will be there in the website. So you just go through this website, all tabs, what is there in home, all these things. I have LinkedIn, Google reviews. Okay, you can see this if you want. Okay, so a review, Facebook reviews, LinkedIn reviews. Okay, you can watch my session, previous batch session, first session. Okay, and what and all, see company, what is about me. You can read about me, who I am. Okay, what is my things. Okay, and few people like you, they have given the testimonials. They are all here in the testimonial section. Okay. After that, contacts. If you want to see my numbers, okay, 4 numbers you can see this number and this number. This is my email ID, info@rajinformatica.com. You can connect with me YouTube or LinkedIn or WhatsApp. Okay. So these are advertisements also coming to my website. Okay. Because my website is highly visible nowadays. Okay. So like this, you have all these things, and you can see the terms and conditions, privacy policy, payment and refund policy. You can see that. Then courses. In the courses, what are the course features? If you want to see, just see the course features. What and all will be covering. After that, installation process. I sent the installation process in the WhatsApp itself. The same I put it here also. Installation video. It will be here. After that, okay. Next, after that, Informatica forum. Like you can ask any question about Informatica. You can ask any question about Informatica. People will reply. This will be public. People will reply. Okay, in the forum. Then course content. In the course content, what and all I will be telling. The content. Okay, about the course. Informatica syllabus. What and all the syllabus. You can download the syllabus. Okay, and you can see upcoming batch. When is the upcoming batch? What is the course syllabus? Who is the instructor? I am the instructor, right? Then what are the reviews about the instructor? What are the reviews about the instructor? You can see. Okay. After that, now students. Student section is for you people. Student section is for you people. Click on dashboard. Everybody upload your picture. My profile. Go to my profile. Fill your details like your phone number, all these things. Okay. So go to dashboard or here this dashboard. This is your things. Okay. So you can go to your profile. Okay, dashboard, my profile. You can upload your pic for your profile, and wherever you enrolled courses, it will be showing which courses you are enrolling. Okay, all these things it will show because this is my enrollment. All these are there. Okay, so then after that, go to enrolled courses. Once it is approved, suppose you are in 11th batch morning. 11th batch morning, I did not enable. It will enable after some time. Okay, so open the 11th batch morning. You will be having access like this. Once you open it, okay, you can see the material here only. Are you seeing right side? In the right side, there are course instructions. Day one, lesson 1. This is 10th batch actually, video. Lesson 1 video, lesson 1 zip file. Okay, lesson 2 video, zip file. Zip file means material. Okay, till lesson 8, you will get the videos. Till lesson 8, you will get the videos. Okay, that is visible to only you. Only 1 and 2 sessions I will put it public. From there, nobody can watch it. Only whoever having the website access, only those can watch. That's it. That too only one device. After session 9 to 30th, material you will get it. Session 9th, you will not get the what video, but you will get the material. Like this till on quiz section. You can do the quiz also. You can write the quiz. That is about this. Now, how to join the live session on daily? Go to students. Go to students. Where is it? Here, right? Go to home. Okay, 1 second. Go back to course home. Go to home. Are you seeing students join live session? Are you seeing join live sessions, please?
Yes,
Click on join live
yes,
session. Yes. Click on join live session. Select your morning batch. Here you will see Zoom meeting ID password. Zoom meeting ID password. Copy the Zoom meeting ID and type the password in the Zoom and join. You will be able to join on daily basis morning 9:30 a.m. I will start the session at 9:20 a.m. Okay, if you have any doubts, 10 to 15 minutes you can ask me. You can share your desktop. I'll rectify. 9:30 sharp. I will wait. I will start the session. Don't miss the sessions. Okay. Got it? How to join to the live sessions? First go to website. See everything is there. What is in the website? Okay. If you are unable to, if you don't log in also, you can see the previous batch reviews, right? Go to courses. Join courses. In this previous batch, see, open any one, you can see the reviews. So 10th batch, open. You can see the reviews. See, the people has given the reviews. These are all the reviews given by my candidates. Same way, you will also give the reviews once the course is completed. Okay, guys. Did you understand what to do? Now you have to do these steps. Okay. To join live session on daily basis, to join live session on daily basis, what you need to do? Okay, open Lodge Informatica, go to students section and click on join live session. Join live session. This you need to do it. Okay, guys. Will you complete this today? Once you get the first, you complete this one. Till here you can complete. Till here you can complete. Once you get the enrollment ID, till here you can complete. Okay. Once you get the enrollment ID after that, okay. So check your email for enrollment ID. Check your email for enrollment ID. Once you got the enrollment ID, then click on, in the email, click on this link. What is that link? Click on registration link. Click on registration link in the email. Registration link in the email. And fill the form and submit. Fill the form and submit. System will automatically approve. Everything will be on system. No manual here. Fill the form and submit. If any Gmail ID is not matching, you are unable to join the live sessions. So Gmail ID is very important here. Everywhere use the same Gmail ID. Yeah, got it, guys?
Raj, we have a classes on Saturday and Sunday also? Or,
this Saturday, Sunday, no. This Saturday, Sunday, no. Next, this Saturday, Sunday, next Saturday, Sunday, no. Okay, from 12th onwards, from June 12th, right? From here, from 13th onwards, you will be having weekly 6 days, Sundays holiday. This weekend, next weekend, you will not be having session. After that, from 13th onwards, you will be having regular sessions till Saturday, Sunday is holiday. Yes?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, please.
Sir,
Any doubts, please?
When will you start the main classes, sir?
From Monday. Monday.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Today I wanted to start main class only, but in between few things has come up. People ask questions. So fine, no problem. One session is fine. Next session we'll take it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Hi,
Got
Raj. We can join any batch or only particular morning
Join the
session?
particular batch only, please. Try to join particular batch. You ping me,
Okay.
please. If you have any doubts, I'll tell you.
No,
Okay.
thanks.
Yeah, please.
But now it is showing evening batch only. So I've done the registration, like showing only evening
Please ping me.
batch.
Ping me, please. Ping me separately. Okay.
Okay.
So how is today's session is, guys? Did you get some good confidence today?
Yes, Raj.
Yes, definitely.
And,
Raj,
you,
meeting registration pending for approval.
fine. It will approve. System will approve for everybody today evening. By today
Raj,
evening, it will approve for everybody.
this is Abhijit Patil. Actually, I never receive your registration.
We'll get it.
Yeah,
We'll get
sure.
it.
Thank you.
Whoever not got it, you will get it for sure.
Okay, sure. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. So so I thought, and you are thinking that the sessions are interactive than recorded sessions.
Yes.
There's a problem with the recorded
Absolutely.
session. No. So recorded session means what? You cannot speak with your instructor, no?
Yes.
You cannot ask your doubts. If you don't ask your doubts, then waste of joining that, right? Correct. What ultimately you wanted, your doubts should be clarified. You need some help at initial stages. Whoever that help you required, that is called live sessions. Okay. That's the important of live sessions. Okay. Fine, guys. Able to hear me? Okay. So you got today, you got a very good session today.
Yeah.
Yes,
please.
Raj.
Every session will be like this.
Yes, sir.
29 to 30
Yes,
sessions. Every
Yes, sir.
session will be interactive. Okay. So just focus on the order, please. Just listen what I am saying. Follow my instructions, whatever I say. So you will get more than what you wanted. I'm saying more than what you wanted. You will get it. Just follow my instructions. That's it. Okay. Got it, please.
Okay, Raj.
One
Yes,
request. I will send you all the links to you. Please follow everywhere. Follow in Twitter, follow in YouTube, follow in Instagram, follow in LinkedIn, follow in Facebook. Please follow everywhere. I'll send the links in the WhatsApp group. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Make our network bigger. Okay, it's in your hands only. It is not in my hand. Okay, I can deliver the best training to you based on your reviews only. Next batch people will join. Okay, I wanted, that is what I am targeting for 100% success rate, 100% positive feedback. Not even a single, I don't want a single negative review also. Like that, I will keep, like I have 150 people. Now from 7th batch onwards, you don't know. First batch, first on on May 14th, 9 people got joined on my first batch. Okay. By finishing about the first batch, the people refer to other people 25. Next batch 34. Third batch 64. Fourth batch 85. Fifth batch 101 or 102. Sixth batch 120. Seventh batch 130. Eighth batch onwards 170 plus, 170 plus, 170 plus till 10 batches. Okay. So how I am getting, I can relax, right? I am getting the students. I can tell whatever I wanted. I can skip. I'm telling them to deliver 28 sessions, but I can deliver only 20 sessions. Never. Okay. I will be having a fear that if anybody give a negative comment, what should I do? I don't want a single negative comment. I wanted to work hard for my people. I will do like this only, so that my hard work will help you for your hard work. When I am doing hard work for you, why can't you do hard work for yourself? At least you have some self-respect, right? So do the hard work, finish it. You will get a job soon. Okay, guys? Yes, please.
Okay, yes, Raj.
Yeah.
Okay, brother.
See you on Monday then.
Okay.
See you on Monday, guys. So complete the installations. Meanwhile, complete the registration, complete the installation. Help the people in the group. If nobody help you, don't worry. I will help you. I will create the practice sessions maybe by Sunday evening. You can make use of all those things. Nowhere you will see this kind of training. Don't worry. Nowhere. Okay. You will get the best. Best means you never expected this kind of training. You will get it for sure. Okay, guys. So please subscribe to all my channel. Okay. So I'll send my all the links. Please connect everywhere so that our network will grow bigger. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, guys. See you on Monday then.
Thank
Yes,
you.
please.
Yeah, Raj.
Okay, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you all.
Thank
Have
you,
a good
Raj.
day.
Thank you, Raj.
Have a
Yeah,
nice
happy
weekend.
weekend.
Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.